Hi, I'm Aaron Sinise, and this is Skyjack. This is my second video that I'm releasing at this point. I'm just going to demo some of the new stuff that I've added. My house is gone, unfortunately, because I just revamped the point system and the map system, so now everything's correctly repositioned, and the map wrap system, as far as I know, works correctly. Well, what I actually mean is I've added horizontal map wrapping to the game so that when you pass over the boundary of the simulated map in the game, you pass over to the other side, and the objects also positioned so that they're closest to the three virtual positions it might be in the camera. Basically, if you have a wrapped map, it's like having a repeating instance of the map. Like, it's almost like a hall of mirrors in a funhouse. You're just going to sort of keep on going through the same section, but, you know, say you're on the far right side of the map and you're chasing an enemy right ways, then if he crosses over, you know, to the left side of the map because he horizontally wraps, you know, Pac-Man style, you know, are you going to know to chase him? And that's basically why I've got this virtual repositioning, is so that, you know, you can see that they're still technically in front of you because you can wrap too. I'm going to actually have to compensate for that when I create some AI coding when they try and get the position of the player, for example. But that's beside the point, because that's not what I've updated. Right now I have updated the sound system at the urging of gentleman on TickSource IRC, Emersound. Pretty cool guy. He actually got some inspiration from the first video. He's splicing up some audio onto it to see if he can't do a sound demo. And that inspired me to try and revamp the sound myself. And now you should actually be able to hear it because I have audio enabled. Hopefully it's not lagging the video too much. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to jump into the rocket again. You can see my head there. That's kind of funny. I need to reposition the astronaut so he's not like sitting up in the nose. He's got to be somewhere further. But anyway, you can see got a bit of add-ons here. You can hear the sounds of the thrusters now. Got some bit crushy sounds, and you can see if I do this, I've got some brake thrusters now. I'm going to try and use those when we get up there to make a landing like I did just a little bit ago before I started recording. Sorry about that, I was scratching my neck. Durr. Might edit that, I don't know. But anyway, I actually tried to make a landing earlier, and I'm going to see if I can't do that again. And in the meantime, you're going to hear some of the revamps I've added to the sound system. I added some fmod.dll integration via a wrapper somebody created. I don't know the name off the top of my head. I'll probably put it in the description. Sorry about that, guys. But props, that guy's pretty tight. He's got that whole thing set up, and I've got it integrated with, you know, pretty much just a snap of my fingers. It was like an hour's worth of reading and coding, so it was not much. So I'm going to go ahead and take off now. Now bear in mind I haven't tested this for optimization yet, I just know it technically works. You can now hear that we're in vacuum, because everything is all muted. It's just what you can hear through the hull of the ship, basically. So I got some suggestions that I should really try and correctly integrate the sound so that, you know, it's more like realistic and less theatrical, less space explosion-y boom, and more like kind of muted, sort of claustrophobic sounds, kind of like this. I'm running low on my fuel now. I don't know if that's my primary fuel gauge that's now yellow striped and telling me I'm bingo on fuel, or if it's my primary or secondary. I can't tell. Let me go ahead and break orbit. I'm going to wait for the apoapsis point, or periapsis point, sorry. Still don't got my orbital terms correct, but I'm going to wait for periapsis, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut this orbit, and we're going to see if I can't land this bird. Alright, approaching apoapsis right about now, so we're going to do this. Alright, braking velocity. Okay, that is my... It looks like that's my first stage fuel tank. Alright, now we're going to do some serious aero braking. Alright, here we go, we're coming down. And there you have it. Ta-da! Alright, and that concludes my second video. I'm gonna hopefully have some more to show off. I'm gonna get back on track with the NPCs. Everything seems to be in order for that. I'm gonna still keep on messing with it. I still gotta add radar so I can find them in the first place, all that sort of thing. So we'll see how that works out. Thanks everybody. Hope you subscribed. Hope you keep on watching. See you later.